In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your Slack active status and keep Slack active on mobile. If you want a little more control over how you appear in Slack, or you need to make sure Slack stays active on your phone, this walkthrough will guide you through both. We'll keep things simple, clear, and practical so you can set things up in just a few moments. Let's start with hiding your active status. On your mobile device, open Slack and tap your profile picture in the top corner. From there, choose the option to set yourself as away. This tells your workspace that you're not currently available, which can help you focus without appearing online. It's a quick toggle you can turn on when you need uninterrupted time and switch off again when you're ready to be active. Another option is to set a custom status with a time limit. Tap your profile picture, select the custom status option, and type a short note like "in a meeting" or "heads down." Choose a time limit that matches how long you'll be unavailable, then save. The best part is that it will clear automatically when the timer runs out, so you don't have to remember to remove it later. This is a helpful way to communicate your availability while keeping your status managed and predictable. Now let's switch to keeping Slack active on a mobile device. The key idea here is that Slack needs to stay open and your screen needs to remain awake. If the app is closed or your phone goes to sleep, Slack may not stay active. To prevent that, keep Slack in the foreground and avoid switching to other apps while you need it active. You can also adjust your phone's display settings to keep the screen from timing out. Open your device's display or screen settings and choose a longer timeout period, or set it to never time out while you're using Slack. This ensures Slack stays active as long as the screen remains on. If you don't want to change settings, simply interact with the app regularly, scroll through channels, or send a quick message to keep it awake. A quick tip: remember to restore your usual screen timeout after you're done so you save battery and protect your privacy. And if you set yourself as away or used a custom status earlier, switch back to active when you're ready to be available again. That's it. You now know how to hide your active status and how to keep Slack active on mobile when you need it.